Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of Calligraphy Code Series 2021. Today I am using Line Plus brush pen and watercolor paper. I will use blue and sky blue shade and also use the black shade. So today's quote is, it's not getting easier, you are getting stronger. First I will create a rough draft with pencil and then we will ink it. Dividing the paper into two parts. Here I will write easier and here I will write stronger. It's not getting easier. You are getting stronger. So let's write now. I'm writing with the pencil first to see if it fits perfectly. We will leave these two words for blue color and remaining words we will write with black brush pen. So let's start. Here G is going out, so we will move this 2 little upwards while pressing. Now for our main word, first we will write with a light shade. I am using sky blue color here. Now take your dark shade, I am using blue color and write lower half word with it. This brush pens won't blend, but I'm still doing it to make it look even. Here we don't have space for G, that is why I'm moving it a bit upward. We'll repeat the same steps as done for the word easier. Erase pencil marks and it's done with day 2 code 2. If you find this video helpful, then like it, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get further notification. You can also share it with your friends and relatives whom you think would love to learn And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the rate Creative Corner by Varsha. Thanks for all the support. We'll see you day after tomorrow. Bye bye.